So one of the things that I've been learning with our new CNC machines and proper coolant maintenance is measuring and checking the concentration level, right?
Yep.
So Justin's gonna check mine in the CNC lathe here and see what he finds.
Hi everyone, Justin Geach here with Master Fluid Solutions. Today I'm in Pensacola, Florida, visiting Adam Booth, also known as Abom79 at his beautiful new machine shop.
So one of the things that I've been learning with our new CNC machines and proper coolant maintenance is measuring and checking the concentration level, right?
Yep.
So Justin's gonna check mine in the CNC lathe here and see what he finds.
Yeah, so the most important thing you can do on any coolant management is control concentration. Not only check it, but control it. And talk to your coolant manufacturer. There's gonna be a recommended range. Yeah. So the easiest way to check concentration is with what's called a refractometer. So there's really two main types. This is an example of an optical, and you can find these pretty inexpensively, 30, 40 bucks. Or you can get a digital, which just makes it a little bit easier to read.
Yeah.
So the catch here is, we'll check the coolant in a second, but refractometer does not give you concentration.
Okay.
A lot of people think whatever the refract says is what your concentration is. Every coolant has a different multiplier. So a refractometer tells you a refractometer reading. You have to take that times your coolant's multiplier to get actual concentration percentage.
Okay.
So every coolant's different. Some are 1-to-1, so in some coolants it will be, if you read 10, you're at 10%.
Okay.
Other coolants are 0.9-to-1, and full synthetics can be upwards of 4-to-1.
Okay.
Meaning if you read 10 on the refract, you're actually at 40%.
Okay.
And you can see when you want to maintain a percentage of 10, if your refract says 10, you could be 4 times what you think.
Okay.
So a quick, easy way to do it, and this is an easy one because the coolant is splashing here and it's nice and clean coming out of the spindle.
And will you tell them what you're expecting or what you're wanting to read with the coolant that we're running here?
Yeah, absolutely. So in this coolant has a multiplier of 1.2. So 6 to 8 on the refract would give us roughly 7 to 10%.
Okay.
And majority of coolants, that's typically the range we would want to run. So all you need to do is get a fresh sample of coolant, ideally out of the tool because that's what's hitting the tool, or out of the spindle because that's what's hitting the tool.
Yeah.
If you don't have access, some machines are locked where you can't access it with coolant running, then you would get it from the tank.
Yeah.
But make sure you swish around the oil and get through that layer of tramp oil to get your coolant reading.
Okay.
So I said we wanted to run around about 6 to 8 with our Microsoft 685, and we're at 6.2. So it's perfect. 6 to 8 is the right recommended range. Coolant looks good, clean and healthy.